This is Matteo. I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and today, thanks to Lukash for holding the camera, we're going to do an unboxing of the Pocophone F1 from Xiaomi. This is a device now officially available in the UK from Amazon. We've ordered one from Amazon. It took a while as a pre-order to be delivered, and here we have it. So, just to let you know, you can also get quite a selection of cases from Amazon as well. We like to keep our devices protected, and we'll be reviewing these on Tech Travel Geeks as well. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right, this is the usual Amazon packaging we start off with. Paper, very environmentally friendly, keeps our products well protected. As you can see, there's a bit of nice paper keeping our device protected, and more wedging the Pocophone into the Amazon box. And here we have it. This will all be recycled, as it should be. And we see the Pocophone F1. So the Pocophone F1, this is a global version, as you can see from the sticker on the side and the other side, is Xiaomi's affordable device. This is on sale currently at Amazon for £329 and offers benefits such as this Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, liquid cooling, a dual AI camera on the back, and a 4000 mAh battery. I've purchased this device as a personal device, and the plan is to have it replace my trusty Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. This device also has a 4000 mAh battery. It also has an AI camera on the back, but it has a much less powerful Snapdragon 636 chipset. Whilst it does have a nice 6-inch screen, I believe that the Pocophone will be a good replacement and, in a way, an upgrade to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Right, we've looked at the packaging, the yellow back with all the specifications on the box. This is a 6GB of RAM, 64GB storage option, which is expandable with MicroSD. I'm just going to open the cellophane packaging. Here we go. And there you have it. That cellophane too will be recycled. So again, the cardboard box is nothing too exciting, but I'm going to slide off the top and you can see the yellow box underneath. It's all yellow here. So let's pull open this tab, and what's in the box? Oh wow, there's a case. This looks like a gel case, basic, but good to keep your device protected until you can order Mocodile, and you find that on AliExpress or maybe even Amazon. What else in the box? Pocophone F1. This is a user guide, just a few pages, showing you the hybrid dual SIM tray, which can take 2 nano SIMs or a microSD and 1 nano SIM, and some other literature we're sure to read or not. Now, here we go. This is the Pocophone F1, and they're highlighting the fact that it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, which is a very fast chipset with up to 2.8 GHz speed. It's a liquid-cooled device, which means that heat's distributed evenly across the plastic back to make it more efficient and not slow down. And it has AI dual pixel cameras on the back and a 20 megapixel front camera, and it has infrared face unlock. Now currently we're not sure if this is available in the UK. We'll need to find out after we've set it up and updated the device, but we understand that if it isn't immediately available, there will be a software update coming very soon to allow that to happen. And the other feature they're highlighting on the front of the device is the 4000 mAh battery. Usually that's one of the benefits of many Xiaomi devices, they're relatively large batteries. Let's take the Pocophone F1 out of the box, if we can. Whoops, here it is. So here we have it, The back of the device has the camera lens covered. We'll just take this off. And it also has the fingerprint scanner and the dual LED flash highlighted. It's got a very good build quality despite a plastic back. On the bottom you can see the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill and microphone grill. At the top you can see a 3.5mm or Courage port, which is great to see. On the left, just the SIM tray. And on the right, there's a power button and two separate buttons for the volume control. And on the front, you can see there's two selfie cameras, and just in the shadow, you can see the infrared blaster for infrared face unlock. As I said, this is a feature that may not be available as of yet, but should be available very soon in the UK, thanks to a software update. Now moving on in the box, this is a UK retail device, which means it has a UK retail plug. This in particular is a 5V 2.5 amp charger or 9V 2 amp charger or a 12V at 1.5 amp charger. So it's a fast charger that should top up the 4000 mAh battery very quickly. And then there is a simple USB-A to USB Type-C cable that goes from the charger or from your laptop or your independent charger to the phone. And the SIM ejector tool is in the bottom of the packaging. So that's a quick overview of what the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 looks like, or also known as the Pocophone F1 by Xiaomi. Let's see if we can get this screen protector off. There it is. We've taken it off, and we'll just switch it on very quickly to show you the screen and the presence of the notch. It's a black splash screen with Pocophone by Xiaomi on it. We'll wait for this to boot up. Powered by Android, and as you can see at the top, now that was very quick. In the Google Experience launcher, there's a moment you could see the notch. Obviously, in the setup of MIUI 9, they are covering for that, but then you can see the notch at the top there. That's great. Lukash confirms as cameraman and Chief Aperture Officer at TechTap Travel Geeks. So this is it. We'll go through the separate setup separately and then give you a separate video later this week with first impressions and our initial thoughts on the Pocophone F1 by Xiaomi. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is the Pocophone F1 unboxing for Tech Travel Geeks. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You won't only see unboxings, but some very finely edited reviews, our podcast, and many other types of content we will be putting on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and goodbye from us.